Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build passive income with TaskRabbit detailed guide step by step clearly. Creating a profile on TaskRabbit is the essential first step. Visit the TaskRabbit website or download the app. Sign up using your email or social media accounts to create an account. Fill out your personal information, including name and location. Choose a profile picture that looks professional and approachable. Next, select the tasks you are interested in offering. Consider skills you already possess or activities you enjoy. Take time to research tasks that are in high demand in your area. Set competitive rates based on your skills and market research. Write a detailed bio that showcases your experience and personality. Highlight your strengths while being clear about the services you offer. Once your profile is complete, start completing tasks to gain experience. Deliver high-quality service to each client to build a strong reputation. Collect reviews and ratings from satisfied customers. Positive feedback will increase your visibility on the platform. As you gain trust, consider adjusting your rates to reflect your expertise. Look for ways to streamline your service delivery. Identify repeat tasks that can become a source of ongoing income. Create a strategy for marketing yourself beyond the TaskRabbit platform. Use social media or local community boards to promote your services. Consider collaborating with local businesses for larger projects. Stay organized with your schedule to maximize your task completion. As you grow, think about diversifying the types of tasks you offer. Monitor your earnings and adapt your strategy accordingly. Reinvest part of your income into better tools or training to enhance services. Stay informed about trends on TaskRabbit to remain competitive. Continuously update your profile and offerings to attract new clients. With dedication, you can build a sustainable passive income stream over time. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.